In this video, I'll show you how to play GTA 5 online. If you find this guide helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you own the official version of GTA 5 from Epic Games, Steam, or the Rockstar Games launcher, you can access GTA Online. When the game starts, you can switch between Story Mode and GTA Online from the loading screen. If you're already in Story Mode, simply press the Escape key to open the pause menu. Next, go to the Online tab, scroll down, and select Play GTA Online. You'll see several session options, including Invite-Only Session, Crew Session, Closed Crew Session, and Closed Friend Session. If you want to join a public lobby, select the Go option at the top. The game will then load you into a GTA Online session. If it's your first time playing GTA Online, you'll be asked to create your character. Once that's done, you'll be ready to explore Los Santos and enjoy GTA Online with other players.